Well, it's September 10th, and I'm back out in the river again today, doing a little bit of detecting. It's around 4 o'clock out here right now, so I figured I'd give it a few hours before it gets dark. Have my AT Pro with me. Running this thing in Pro Zero. I have iron discrimination right at 27. So, let's keep on searching out here, and I'll let y'all know if I find anything good. Have my first good find down here. See it? Pair of sunglasses. All right. Wow. They've been in the river a while. Looks like a dog tag on them. Sure is. I bet it has a name. I could probably look that up and return these to them. Awesome. So I just got a signal down here showing up in the 80s. I thought it was going to be a quarter, but it's not. Let's go down and look at it together. That thing is awesome. Looks like a World War I button. Has the Great Seal on there. That is really sweet. Missing the back. But I'll take that. Best find of the hunt so far. There's probably an old river crossing right here, because I just found a spoon a minute ago. I just rechecked the hole where I found the button, and there's another signal in there. Showing up in the 90s. Could be another button. See if we can dig it out. Should be out now. Let's check it with the coil. Nope, still down in there. Get the Pro Pointer, turn it on, and see if we can locate it that way. Well, there was a quarter in there. That may have been the original signal I was getting, and I just happened to find that button while digging it. This is unbelievable. I was getting a signal down here. It was showing up as iron, bouncing around in the 30s and 40s. So I got my rock pick, started digging, and I seen a pipe sticking out. So that's what I thought it was, but turns out it's not. You know what that is? Looks like a shotgun. Wow! Unbelievable! No telling how long it's been in the river. It's missing the stock. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, an old shotgun. Looks like it. Wow! I did not expect to find this. It's getting late in the evening too. It's around 6:30 right now, so don't have much longer till dark. Awesome. I'm glad I found it. I want to keep on hunting this area, and I'll let y'all know if I get anything else. There's something iron right there. Not too far from where I found the shotgun. So I'm going to be digging every iron signal I get around here. A lot of rocks. See where it's at. Hear that grunt? That's the sound of iron. Oh, there it is. Off a bridge or something. I find a lot of these around bridges. not too far from one, so that would make sense. Oh well, you never know though. That's why you gotta get out here and search for it. What an amazing evening out on the river. I did really well. Take a look at my finds before it gets dark. Have a bunch of stuff. All of it was found at the AT Pro. Nice old shotgun. That thing's gonna clean up nice. Can't wait to electrolyze it. I'm sure there's some writing on there. Just can't see it from all the rust. Very awesome. Did not expect to find that one. Also have 2 pairs of sunglasses. An old button. It's a World War I Great Seal button. It's always nice when you can find them. Have some change. About $1.80 something there. An old spoon. A couple bullet casings. Somebody lost their house key. Found that as well. Have a set of keys. And some more trash over here. But you're always going to find that. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. And God bless. Nice and calm out here. You gotta love it.